Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage startup programs in Windows so your computer can boot up faster and run more smoothly. So let's get started. First, go down to your taskbar and right-click on it. Then select Task Manager. If it opens in a small window, just click on More Details to expand it. Now at the top, click on the Startup tab. Here, you'll see all the programs that automatically start when your computer turns on. You'll notice there's a column that says Status, showing if it's enabled or disabled, and another one called Startup Impact, which tells you how much that program affects your startup time. If you see something you don't really need starting up every time, like Spotify, Zoom, or any background app, simply click on it and then hit the Disable button at the bottom right corner. That's all you have to do to stop it from launching at startup. If later you change your mind, you can come back here, select the app again, and click Enable to turn it back on. You can also manage startup apps through your Windows settings. Just click on Start, go to Settings, then select Apps and choose Startup. From here you'll see the same list of programs with toggles next to them. Simply switch off the ones you don't need. By doing this, you're preventing unnecessary apps from running in the background and slowing down your computer's boot time. Once you're done, restart your PC to apply the changes, and you should notice that your system starts up a bit faster. And that's it! You've learned how to manage startup programs in Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.